the most efficient and unique wastewater treatment system on the planet today. Meet BART, bio-aerobic reactor technology. BART represents one of the most efficient systems in nature. He and a whole host of other little creatures such as bacteria occurring naturally cleanse our planet on a daily basis. They live in every single living and inert organism in our world. Their specific job is to keep the place clean. We'll talk more about BART and his friends later. The treatment of wastewater has changed little in the last 100 years. The typical system for even the smallest of communities usually requires acres of land dedicated to ponds and skimming devices designed to disperse, dry out, and collect the effluent residue or sludge. Professionals have realized the aerobic system, which stimulates bacterial growth, holds the most promise for the treatment of wastewater. They continue to apply the traditional concepts to the treatment of contaminated waters using systems that require vast amounts of land. Some 30 years ago, a Brazilian inventor created a deep well aerobic system that revolutionized the wastewater treatment process. The inventor's new system had a long list of advantages such as robustness, as well as reduced costs of installation and maintenance. It used no moving parts, no chemicals, odorless, and the land area required was a small percentage of what conventional systems required. The original inventor was unable to properly market this innovation, so the system has been kept a virtual secret until now. While there are some 300 systems installed in several countries, there should be thousands of systems installed. Here comes BART. BART came about by taking that original system created by the Brazilian inventor and using the innovative genius of Dr. Zoltan Kameny, our partner and inventor who has over 130 patents. We designed a new product which is more efficient and more cost effective. Dr. Kameny has built the system to be constructed modularly so that portions of the plant can be built in a production setting and shipped to the site, reducing costs and time to actual utilization. BART uses a small land area. A system for 100,000 residents can be quickly installed in an area the size of a couple of tennis courts, and you can use the courts. The system is all underground, cannot be detected, with no odor and no moving parts, making the area above it safe for the use of anything from children's playgrounds to a Wimbledon match. The features and advantages to this system are so numerous that it seems almost too good to be true. Here are just a few of BART's advantages. We can install BART anywhere. Even a parking lot works. The underground feature allows for the area immediately above it to be used for other purposes. For the large developer, 1,000 homes can be treated in a very tiny area, leaving more valuable land for development and sale. BART provides a cost-effective solution for developers who find they have land that is unusable for septic tanks, or if they face expensive fees for hooking up to city-owned treatment plants. In using BART for municipal purposes, the cost savings are significant. For the average city, the cost to treat water is from $450 to $2,000 per 100,000 gallons. BART will treat 100,000 gallons at a high-quality level for about $150. A city the size of Phoenix could save an estimated minimum of $1.5 million per day. Let me repeat that. A savings of $1.5 million per day. The system works for almost all conceivable organic and a number of chemically altered waste products. In addition to residential waste, the system will treat waste from slaughterhouses, runoff from dairy and cattle operations, pig farms, ecologically threatened forest and water areas, and a whole variety of other applications. With this incredible array of advantages, BART is the future of wastewater treatment worldwide.